What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple cartoon ghost. Let's begin this lesson at the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So start by lining up the top. We'll bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth directly underneath the left eye. Come down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth. And come down lower and then back up. Now let's add a curve inside the mouth for the tongue. And go up and then down. Now we're going to go back and fill the inside of the eyes and the top of the mouth in black. Now that we complete the face, let's move out to the side and draw the top of the head. Lining up the outside of the left eye, we step all the way out, we go up in the middle, round up the head, go across, and then down towards the right. Now let's bend the arms coming down and then out towards the side. So come down, and then out. Now we're going to move in and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left. Bend this down, go out, and then down towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Coming down, out, and then down. Now I'm going to go back and tuck the arms in behind the body. Let's start back on the left. Just going to round this out, come in, and then down towards the side. Now I'm going to add a fold along the inside of the arms. Let's start from the top, coming around, in and down. Now we want to add some folds across the bottom of the body. Let's start over on the left side. Start by going up, bend this back out, come around, and up in the middle. I'm just going to round out the center, come down toward the side. I'm just going to bend that back up and then out towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're just going to fold this around. Just going to come down and in. I'm just going to tuck this up and in underneath the body. Now you want to add some folds along the front of the body. From this point, bend this up and then in with a short line. Let's go over towards the right, going up and in. Now you want to draw the inside edge starting from this curve, going in and then up underneath. Let's add one more fold over on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a cartoon ghost. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.